Underground crypto, breaking stereotypes, dive deep into the world of crypto hype. A passive mainstream, they're on the rise, educating the masses, open our eyes. Underground crypto, shining bright, taking us on a journey, day and night.
Welcome to Underground Crypto, deep diving another low market cap gem for you today. This one comes from the one and only Sam Price. If you don't know who Crypto Lifer is on YouTube, you're missing out big time. I've been in his private Discord and following him for years. He's taught me pretty much everything I know about technical analysis and a lot of other things about cryptocurrency in the market. Between Sam and BitBoy or Ben Armstrong, that's where I've gotten a whole lot of my education. Of course, with some other channels too. I know some people are going to hardcore judge me for watching anything Ben Armstrong puts out, but that's all right. He's made me a lot of money, so no worries. But anyways, he put out this tweet. It said, if you don't see the potential in ORNJ, which stands for orange, then I cannot help you, LOL. But in all seriousness, research this coin. So, as I do call Sam a mentor and follow him pretty closely, I feel like I need to go review this coin. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to check it out and see what it is. So first of all, we're over here on CoinGecko. And we have to ask ourselves, what is this coin? What is its purpose? What is its function? What does it do? 62 cents. Things have been a little up and down here. On the 24-hour, I am a little bit surprised to see that it's gone down because everything else that I've been looking at today has been pumping. So, not too sure about why this is going down. But the first thing I notice is the contract is a Bitcoin contract. So if you know, you know. That tells you something right there. And we will address that in a minute. They got a website for us, which I've already pulled up. I want to go down and look at some exchanges, because I haven't done that yet. So it is on MEXC, which is cool. I do a lot of stuff on MEXC Global. Bitmart I do have. I don't do a ton on it, but I have it. BitGet I recognize. Gate.io, BingX. I recognize some of these other ones. I don't particularly use them. The only decentralized exchange that I see here is this Unisat. That must be the decentralized exchange for BRTC20s, like an ERC20, but Bitcoin instead of Ethereum. So that's cool, and that kind of gives away what I was saying here about the contract. It is a Bitcoin contract, so this has to do with Bitcoin DeFi, I'm assuming. Market cap, $35 million. Tiny market cap. There was a lot of hype around BRC20s and the Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem. It seems to have calmed down a little bit as of, the last month or so, or maybe less, maybe the last 2-3 weeks. But I have no doubt that it is going to pick back up again, especially when Bitcoin is hitting all new highs, all-time highs. Circulating supply, 57 million, and then total supply 100 million. Sorry, my brain wasn't working. It's been a long day, guys. It is the 932nd coin by market cap. I wonder if that could be right. 35 million doesn't seem like it should be that high up in the market cap. And then again, here is 24-hour chart. Here is the 7-day chart. 7-day chart looks a lot healthier. Let's go to the 1-month chart. 1-month chart, you see it's been moving. Had this spike right here. Had a double bottom there, and then spiked up there. So that's pretty cool. As far as price action goes and stuff, that looks pretty healthy and looks like an upward trend. Let's go to their website. So it's called ORNJ. I see they got the little orange pill as a logo. I think that's pretty dope. Bitcoin meets Web3. So this is like bringing Web3 to Bitcoin. That's basically what DeFi is, Web3, if you didn't already know that. Orange is an ecosystem. Orange is an ecosystem of financial products and services that help consumers and businesses manage Bitcoin and other blockchain protocols. Hopefully they're going to elaborate on that a little bit more. It says take the orange pill. I think the whole orange pill thing, red pill, blue pill, matrix kind of thing, I think the orange pill thing is a great marketing ploy or strategy, or just great marketing, however you want to think about it. A cool little image there. With Orange, you can exchange, stack, earn, does it say anything else? Learn. So you can do a lot with Orange, they're telling you. Now, Orange Wallet is a browser extension that is always on. Easily manage your Bitcoin and other protocols while browsing the internet. So very similar to a lot of other wallets that you may already be accustomed to. Up here you'll see MetaMask. For me, I use MetaMask a lot. MetaMask is pretty awesome the way that you can add so many chains right in MetaMask. They've made it even simpler to the point where you just click on it and click on the blockchain you want to add, and then bam, you have a wallet for that blockchain, and you can access any DeFi Web3 websites and it automatically connects. It's pretty swift. But it looks like this, they have their own wallet. It's going to function very similarly, but just for Bitcoin and Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem. Orange Swap, so they have a swap. That's super useful for anybody trying to get into these new BRC20 coins. Having a good swap that you can go to swap into the coin that you're really looking for. I think Stacks was a big one that everybody was talking about and was into. This might have been how you could have bought it. Orange Swap is a decentralized exchange for some of the most favorite protocols and the tokens on Bitcoin. Connect your favorite Bitcoin wallet and seamlessly exchange assets cross-chain. Welcome to DeFi on Bitcoin. I do like that it's cross-chain. That certainly is helpful. Less margin for error. Orange Market Cap. Orange Market Cap is a market aggregator for data and statistics on Bitcoin, BRC20, Stacks, Ordinal, and more. Get information on the best blockchain at your fingertips. And you can visit something here. I'm not quite sure what it is. Maybe the product of their market cap. So they're going to have an aggregator for market caps and projects and all that kind of thing. Very similar to probably CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap and even a GGX that you see me pull up sometimes. Orange Bridge. So they're going to have basically the full array of products here as far as a swap, an aggregator. Here's a bridge. Orange Bridge is a cross-chain bridge that enables interoperability across the Bitcoin ecosystem and other blockchain networks. Here's, just a mock of what the bridge would look like. I'd say this looks pretty similar to a lot of other people's products, but I'm not as deep into Bitcoin DeFi as I wish that I was. This, might be something that would get me there because I need a wallet in order to connect. And, that's kind of step one for interacting with any DeFi, is having a wallet that is going to work with that blockchain and connect to everything so that you can start looking at all the Web3 websites. Orange Assistant. This is cool. Send BTC they have in this little search bar. And let's see, what do they say about that? Orange Assistant is an AI assistant that uses artificial intelligence to help provide quick access to information, insight, and answers regarding the entire crypto industry. That is super cool. And I would say innovative. I haven't really seen any other crypto or anybody else trying to do this on Bitcoin. Makes it a little bit more, trendy than maybe being on some layer one that you've never heard of or a blockchain that you've not really familiar with. Like I am newer to Avalanche. If they did this on Avalanche, maybe less people would see it, but I feel like on Bitcoin DeFi, more people with probably a lot more money would see it and talk about it. The buzz would go, and this could be a product that could propel that we could speculate on making this product desirable. ORNJ Explorer. ORNJ Explorer is a Bitcoin explorer dedicated to all transactions on the best blockchain in the world, which I'm assuming they're talking about Bitcoin. So I'm sure that Bitcoin has block explorers, just like Ethereum has block explorers, but they're going to have one as well. That's where you basically view all transactions. If something was going on and you wanted to see what happened to the transaction, if it went through, if something got hung up, or you didn't have enough for the fee and the didn't go through, this is where you would go to look at that kind of information. Orange, orange, orange. The team at ORNJ are experienced professionals at Microsoft, Amazon, and Google alumni. So they're talking about these people have some credibility. That is always what you want to hear. I do like that we have I'm assuming these are real names that you could probably look up. Here I am not going to try to read them. That is for sure. I'm going to mess all that up, and this video is going pretty well, so let's not do that to ourselves. But I assume if you really wanted to look these up, you could find these people and see what they've done before, yada yada, and see if they have any credibility. Half the time you're looking at meme coins with a NFT picture and some kind of made up name, and we don't know who any of the people are. So this helps me feel comfortable with the platform, and I could go and deep dive these names. I feel like if the lifer was watching this, he'd be like, come on, why didn't you look up the names? But I'll do it in my own time. I won't do it here and waste everybody's time. But do your own research. ORNJCrypto.com. You can easily come here. If you don't want to type it in, you can easily go to CoinGecko, type in ORNJ or CoinMarketCap, I'm assuming, and you could probably get to this website. ORNJ collaborates with some of the most reputable companies in the industry. So let's check it out. What do we got? Mexi Global. I've heard of Lotus Capital. That was rolling pretty quick. Didn't get to see everything. And I just probably don't know a lot of these. And I'm probably the one out of loop here. But I only recognize a couple of them. But they probably are bigger companies. What is ORNJ? ORNJ is an ecosystem of decentralized finance, DeFi, products and services that help consumers and businesses manage Bitcoin and other blockchain protocols. What is the core product in the ORNJ ecosystem? ORNJ Wallet is the leading product in the ORNJ ecosystem. All of our other products help users in their blockchain journey, as well as feed information into the wallet, such as token data, blockchain information, and more. What is the ORNJ token? The ORNJ token is the native Bitcoin BRC20 token for use in the ORNJ ecosystem. It is the path to enable rewards and additional use cases. And let's go to the next one. Where can I learn more about ORNJ? You can always learn more about ORNJ in our documentation for the company and the products at this link here that you could easily get to yourself. We're not going to do that. I feel like I would probably bore most of you guys to sleep if I decided to do that. We are going to go check out their Twitter. They have them here as they even have a YouTube link. That I like. Maybe we'll have to throw that in the mix. We'll check that out in a minute. But we're going to go over to their Twitter. We're going to follow them because why wouldn't we? They have 21.9 thousand followers. It joined in April 2009. What does that mean? I don't know. Is this an old Twitter page that somebody had and they just went ahead and, made it the ORNJ page? Or have they actually been at this since 2009? I couldn't tell you. That's something they might have in their papers there at that link we were just looking at. But let's see what's going on with their pinned tweet right here. Has 119,000 views. We're going to go ahead and like it. So staking is now live. That's cool. Top BRC20 by market cap. ORNJ. Let's see, 4%. So here's the top. Oh, okay, they're going to show us the top 10. Okay, so ORNJ is number 7. By market cap of BRC20 specifically. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty interesting. Does really make me wonder, though, for sure, because 38 million is not that big. 38 million. Sats is at $1 billion. ORNJ is at $1 billion. These are the two that I know off the top of my head. If somebody asked me about BRC20s, don't know a lot of these other ones. This right here is probably a good list for me to refer back to. Maybe we'll do some other deep dive on some more BRC20 type stuff. I see ORNJ, which I know well, and I see another one down here that's ORNJ, but we'll save that for another video. We will check that out. 9 hours ago, that looks like a retweet. Trying to figure out how often. Oh, we're on a post. My bad. So we're looking at how often they've been posting. 12 hours, 12 hours. March 23rd, which was only a couple of days ago. Good stuff. They seem pretty active. They have a lot of followers. I don't know what's up with how old this Twitter is or why, but who knows? Maybe they've been at it for a long time. They do have the check mark. They are verified. Hopefully that means we're on the right Twitter here. ORNJ doesn't have any content yet, so that's interesting. I don't know why you would bother putting a YouTube link unless you were planning on doing some YouTube videos. I'm going to go ahead and subscribe to them just in case they ever put anything out. Maybe I'll bring it to your attention. Again, the reason why I am reviewing this is because Sam Price tweeted about it. He's more than knowledgeable, for sure. And if he says something, I listen. He put out a tweet like this about Kimbo. It's the reason why I did a review on Kimbo, and that has worked out pretty well. So, keep all those things in mind. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoRon, @_groundcrypto. Follow Sam while you're at it. You won't regret it. Here's his Here's his meme that he always shows that I think is a classic. Alrighty. Not sure if there's too much more to go over here. Did they have a Discord? I believe they did, actually. I think I already went to it. So here, we are in their Discord. Here is their most recent announcement. And it is just about steps to earn the @hodler role and access token gated channels. So there's some token gated channels that you won't be able to really see, I guess, unless you verified. And you can do, I guess, the same kind of verification over here on Telegram. Doesn't really seem like anything too crazy in here to go over, to be honest. Just some people chatting in here. But I do like to see that there's some activity and it's not super spammy or anything. These seem like actual real people. So all those things are good. This is ORNJ, and it's about 62 cents a coin here. Where it could go. Is Bitcoin DeFi going to heat up? Will it fizzle out? What are your opinions on this? I always do a gut rating, or I try to. I've noticed there's a couple videos I don't do it, and I do apologize. But my gut feeling rating 1 through 10 on this, going to have to be a 7. The 3 missing points to get to 10 are really only because I've heard the rumblings about Bitcoin DeFi slow down a little bit, and I am a little bit surprised that there's not more money in Bitcoin DeFi, because Bitcoin is the #1 asset, over $1 trillion. I think it's over $1.5 trillion at this point, market cap. What would it take to get a little bit of that money to roll into its DeFi ecosystem? Probably not much. So I think high risk, high reward. Not a financial advisor. If you need a financial advisor, get you a financial advisor. Yeah, so thank you for watching this review. If you enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to make sure you don't miss a video. We're going to keep putting these out at least once a day, with the rare exception of a miss. CryptoRon out. Have a great day.